Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3 polynomials. In that exercise 3.3, third main, the question is given: find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given in each case. Third main, the fourth bit is given 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. These two are zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Then by using these zeros I am going to write a polynomial. See its solution now. First of all, given zeros, given alpha is equals to 1 by 2. You can consider, you can take 1 by 2 is alpha and beta is equals to 3. Okay, these two are zeros, alpha and beta. Now sum of zeros, ఈ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేయండి. That is alpha plus beta. Alpha means 1 by 2 plus beta means that is 3 by 2. So we get the denominator is same, we get the common denominator and then add the numerators. 1 plus 3. That is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So we get sum of zeros is equals to, that is 2. And product of zeros, that is nothing but alpha beta. Okay, now alpha into beta. Alpha means 1 by 2 into beta means that is 3 by 2. The product of the numerators 1 into 3, that is 3 by the product of the denominators 2 into 2, that is 4. So we get the product of zeros is 3 by 4. Okay, now we know how to write a polynomial when two zeros are given. We have a form, that is k of x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. Okay, na? So this is a form of a polynomial. K of x square minus alpha plus beta of x plus alpha beta. K means, writing K only, x square means that is x square minus alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros means what? We get that is 2 of x plus alpha beta. Product of zeros means we get what? That is 3 by 2. Now I am taking here a constant k value. K is equals to, we take, I am taking here 4 because of denominator is 1 here and we get LCM is 4. That's why we can take k is equals to 4. That is 4 of x square minus 2 into x 2x plus 3 by 4. Now multiply with 4. 4 into x square, that is 4x square. 4 into minus 2x, that is minus 8x. 4 cancel అయిపోతే just 3. So this is a quadratic polynomial. 4x square minus 8x plus 3. This is the required polynomial with the zeros 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So like this we will write. Okay, students. Now next one, third question. Question number 3 is given. Verify that. Question number 4. Verify that 1 comma minus 1 and 3. 1 comma minus 1 and 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, are the zeros of the cubic polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3, and check the relationship between zeros and coefficients. Okay, so this is the given question. First of all, we have to check 1, -1, 3. These are the zeros of a cubic polynomial or not. Zeros means if you substitute in the place of, if you replace in the place of x with 1, the value of a polynomial is becomes 0. We can say that is the zero of a polynomial. Yes. So first of all, in first case, let us check the given 3 real numbers. Same solution. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial, that is p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Okay, I am taking first of all, I am replacing x by 1 plus 1 to replace chestam. So that is p of 1 is equals to x cube means that is 1 cube minus 3 of x square means that is 1 square minus x means that is 1 plus 3. So minus 1 cube, 1 cube means that is 1 minus 3 of 1 whole square means that is also 1 minus 1 into minus of 1 means that is minus 1 plus 3. 1 minus 3 into 1, 3 of 1 that is minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. So ఇక్కడ plus 1 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ plus 3 ఉంది. 1 plus 3 that is 4 minus 3 minus 1 that is minus 4, that is equals to 0. If I replace x with 1, the value of a polynomial is becomes 0. So we can say that 1 is the zero of a cubic polynomial. Okay, so next I am replacing in the place of x this time minus 1. Okay, minus 1 replaces. P of minus 1 is equals to x whole cube means that is minus 1 whole cube minus 3 of x square means that is minus 1 whole square. Already in a polynomial minus is there. X means that is minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 cube means minus 1 is a negative number but power is odd. So minus 1 cube means that is minus 1 minus 3 of minus 1 square means ఇక్కడ power వచ్చేసి even, that's why we get 1. Here power odd means we get negative only, but here power even means we get positive. Minus of minus that is plus 3. Here minus 1 minus 3 into 1 minus 3 of 1 that is minus 3 plus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 that is minus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3 that is plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 that becomes what? 0. If I replace it in the place of x minus 1, the value of a polynomial is becomes 0. Therefore we can say minus 1 also 0 of this polynomial. Okay, let us consider one more given number. Now this time I am going to replace in the place of x that is 3. P of 3 is equals to P of 3 is equals to, that is 3 power 3 minus 3 of x whole square means that is 3 square minus x means 3 plus 3. ఇక్కడ 3 power 3 అంటే 3 రైజ్ టు ద పవర్ 3, 3ని 3 టైమ్స్ మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 minus 3 of 3 whole square means that is 9, 3 3s are 9. Here minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Now 27 minus 3 into 9, minus 3 of 9, that is minus 27. 27 minus 27, that becomes 0. If we replace in the place of x, the value of a polynomial becomes 0. So clearly we can say that 1 comma minus 1 comma 3 are the zeros of a polynomial. Is that clear? 3 కూడా ఏంటి, వెరిఫై దట్ అన్నాడు కదా, వెరిఫై చేసాము. ఎస్, ఓకేనా? 1 minus 1 3, these 3 are the zeros of a cubic polynomial, that is x cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. Let us check the relation. ఇప్పుడు రిలేషన్ చెక్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ what I want to do here, a cubic polynomial at most 3 zeros కదా. So given alpha is equals to minus 1, alpha is equals to 1, beta is equals to minus 1, gamma is equals to, that is 3. 3 zeros are given. Yes, sum of zeros వీటిని యాడ్ చేద్దాం. What we get? Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Okay, now alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha means that is 1 plus beta means that is minus 1 plus gamma means 3. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel means the sum of the zeros of a polynomial is, we get what, that is 3. And sum and product of zeros taken at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Sum and product of zeros taken to at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Alpha beta means 1, that is 1 into beta, that is minus 1, plus beta gamma means that is minus 1 into 3, plus gamma alpha means that is 3 into 1. We get 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3, plus 3 into 1 3, plus 3 minus 3 cancel means the sum and product of zeros taken to at a time, that is what, minus 1. And product of zeros. Now product of zeros, that is alpha beta gamma. What are they? Alpha means 1 into beta means minus 1 into gamma means 3. 1 1s are 1, 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. Clearly we get the sum of zeros, that is 3. The sum and product of zeros taken to at a time, that is minus 1, and the product of zeros are minus 3. We just write it as a side, 3 minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now I am going to check the relation check chesta. We know a cubic polynomial form, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Clearly a is not equals to 0. A comma b comma c d are real numbers. Yes, it is the standard form of a cubic polynomial. Now we have a relation, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is sum of zeros, that is minus b by a, that is what, minus b by a. Because of ఎందుకు minus b by a means minus b ante b is the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square by a means coefficient of x cube. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఇచ్చిన పాలినోమియల్ ఏంటి? The given polynomial is x cube. Given polynomial p of x is equals to x cube minus 3x square, that is minus x plus 3. This is a given polynomial. Yes. So alpha plus beta plus gamma sum of zeros ante that is minus coefficient of x square by coefficient of x cube ante that is minus b by a. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ అంటే మైనస్ రాస్తున్నా. b అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x స్క్వేర్? ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ b. ఇక్కడ x స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ మైనస్. ఓకే, బై a మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x క్యూబ్. ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఆఫ్ x క్యూబ్ ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ 1x క్యూబ్ 1. సో దట్ ఈస్ మైనస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ ప్లస్ 3 by 1 దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3. అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ జీరోస్ ఫస్ట్ మనకి 3 వచ్చింది. Again by using the relation also we get same. Next alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Okay na, ante sum and product of zeros taken to at a time. That is what? That is c by a. That is c by a. C ante c means that is coefficient of x. A means that is coefficient of x cube. C means ఇక్కడ coefficient of x ఏముంది? x coefficient 1x, that is minus 1 by a అంటే the coefficient of x cube also 1, that is equals to what? Minus 1 by 1, that is minus 1. So second we get the product of the sum and product of zeros taken to at a time, that is minus 1. And same like that only the same and alpha beta gamma and the sum and product of zeros taken to at a time completed, and product of zeros directly alpha into beta into gamma, that is alpha beta gamma, that is what? D by d. D means that is constant term by a means coefficient of x cube. In the place of d 3 is there, by coefficient a means that is coefficient of x cube. A plus b means x cube coefficient, that is 1. 3 by 1 minus d by a, that is ఇక్కడ that is product of zeros అంటే minus constant term by coefficient of x cube అంటే that is minus 3 by 1, that is equals to minus 3. So we get here minus 3. So by checking zeros also we get same only. By using relation also we get same. So this is the relation between zeros and coefficients of a cubic polynomial. You have to take different cubic polynomials and find their zeros, and by using relation also you verify it. Thank you.